Hello, my dear students. Today's topic is about discursive article. Uh, if you don't know how to write a discursive article, then let me tell you that discursive article is not very much different from other kinds of articles like informative article, argumentative article, newspaper article. For example, it's very close to argumentative article. In argumentative article, the writer talks about only one side of the topic, either against or in favor. But in discursive article, the writer explores both sides of the argument. Here are some tips about writing a discursive article. For example, when you start writing a discursive article, keep in mind the following tips. First of all, be clear and concise. Clear means you should be writing relevant to the topic and it should not be very long. Be concise, like only write relevant stuff. Don't give irrelevant information just to make it longer. Okay, then your primary goal is just to make a point on your reader. If you're exploring, of course, you are exploring two sides of the argument, so both sides should be given to the reader. Uh, then use very clear language to reduce the confusion or misinterpretation. Present multiple perspectives. Usually discursive articles explore both sides of the argument, but sometimes there are more than two sides of the argument, and in discursive article you have to explore all the sides of the argument. Okay, so your main goal is to give the reader enough information to reach an informed position for themselves. So let the reader decide which side will they take. Support every argument with evidence and clear backup. Maintain a very professional and objective tone. Like, objective means you are not biased, you're not taking the side of any argument. See here, you're not supporting one position over another, you're just presenting the multiple sides of the argument. Okay, what's the difference between discursive and argumentative article? We have already discussed that. Discursive article explores both sides of the argument, while argumentative article just talk about one side of the argument. So let's talk about writing a discursive article. For example, it's a sample article. This is the title: Is a Shiba Inu or a Corgi the right dog for my family? So you are going to talk about this argument. First of all, there should be introductory paragraph. Start the article or your essay by introducing the topic with an effective hook. It can be a question or a attention-grabbing statement. Then there must be body paragraphs. In body paragraphs, guys, you should bring the both arguments and their positive and negative sides, and then the conclusion. In discursive article, you can give your conclusion as a writer, but opinion. In the conclusion paragraph, the writer can give his opinion, but the opinion should be very logical. It should not be biased or objective. It should depend on the arguments. For example, if you feel that one argument is stronger over the other argument, then you can take the side of that argument with strong backup. Okay, so and then you can finish your article. Like here, in any discursive article, the conclusion should encourage the reader to think about the topic or take action, or let the reader make their own opinion. This is all for today for this topic. Thank you so much.